What is Section 481 Irish film tax relief? Imagine walking through a city street or a stunning Irish landscape and realizing that what you're seeing on screen might have been made possible by a special government program. That's because Ireland has a unique way of encouraging filmmakers to choose Irish locations for their projects. Now, you might wonder how this all works and why it's so important for Irish culture and arts. Well, let's break it down. Section 481 is a tax relief scheme created by the Irish government. It is designed to attract film, television, animation, and creative documentary productions to Ireland. This program offers a tax credit to production companies that spend money making their projects in Ireland. The credit can cover up to 32% of their eligible expenses. That includes costs like hiring Irish and international actors and crew, purchasing goods and services locally, and even post-production work such as visual effects and editing. The main goal of this scheme is to make Ireland more appealing for filmmakers. When productions come here, they create jobs for Irish talent, boost local businesses, and bring international attention to Irish locations. This helps promote Irish culture and arts on a global stage. It also encourages stories rooted in Irish history, landscapes, and people to reach audiences worldwide. To qualify for the tax relief, a project must pass two key tests. The first is the culture test, which checks if the project has cultural value for Ireland. The second is the industry development test, which ensures the production benefits the Irish film industry. The process begins with an application to Ireland's Department of Culture, where they review the project and, if it meets the criteria, issue a cultural certificate. Once approved, the production company can claim the tax credit from the Irish tax authorities. There are some rules to keep in mind. The minimum spend to qualify is €125,000, and the maximum spend for a feature film is €125 million. For digital games, the cap is €25 million. There's no limit on how many projects can benefit each year, so Ireland can host many productions at once. Also, up to 90% of the tax credit can be paid upfront, helping productions with cash flow during filming. Recently, Ireland added an extra incentive called the Sale Uplift. For certain Irish films with budgets under €20 million, the tax credit can go up to 40% if the film meets additional conditions. These include having a key creative role filled by an Irish or European Economic Area national, and committing to a theatrical releases in Ireland. From a traveler's perspective, this system means you might see film crews filming in famous Irish spots, from Dublin streets to the rugged Atlantic coast. It also means Irish stories and landscapes are shared with audiences worldwide through movies and TV shows. You might even recognize locations from popular series or films while exploring Ireland. In practical terms, Section 481 has helped Ireland become a hub for international film and television productions. It brings economic benefits and raises the profile of Irish culture and arts globally. So, next time you see a movie set in Ireland, remember that this special tax relief plays a big part in making Irish stories come alive on screen and in inspiring your travels.